Have you ever wondered if monthly dividend ETFs can make you rich? ETFs, or exchange-traded funds, are the financial world's best-kept secret, a unique blend of stocks, bonds, or commodities. Today, we're going to explore 4 specific ETFs: DV, DHS, PGX, and KBWD. What makes them tick? How do they perform? And most importantly, can they actually make you rich? Intrigued? Stick around as we dive deep into these ETFs and see if they could potentially make you rich. Hello viewers, if you're enjoying this content, and you do not want to miss future videos filled with even more tips, tricks, and inspiration, hit that subscribe button now to stay tuned with us and remember to comment and share. First off, let's start with DIV, the Global X Super Dividend US ETF. This fund is a bit of a heavyweight in the world of ETFs, focusing on providing exposure to 50 of the highest dividend-yielding US securities. Its annual yield percentage? A whopping 7.4%. DIV's performance in the market has been consistent, providing a steady income stream for its holders. But remember, the performance of an ETF is subject to market volatility, so always consider your risk tolerance. Next up, we have DHS, the Wisdom Tree US High Dividend Fund. This ETF offers exposure to high dividend-yielding companies in the US equity market. With an annual yield percentage of 3.6%, DHS seeks to track the performance of some of the highest dividend-yielding US companies. Its performance has been impressive, with a reputation for resilience even during market downturns. Our third contender is PGX, the Invesco Preferred ETF. This ETF is a portfolio of preferred securities which are a type of investment that shares characteristics of both stocks and bonds. PGX boasts an annual yield percentage of 5.4%. It's been a solid performer in the market, known for its potential to provide a steady income stream. Last but not least, we have KBWD, the Invesco KBW High Dividend Yield Financial ETF. This fund provides exposure to U.S. financial sector companies with high dividend yields. With an annual yield percentage of 8.8%, KBWD stands out for its high yield. It's been a strong performer in the market, offering potential for both income and capital appreciation. So far, we've seen what each of these ETFs has to offer, but how do they compare to each other? Stick around as we delve into their differences and similarities and explore how they could potentially fit into your investment strategy. Opening. It's not just about picking one ETF, it's about understanding how they stack up against each other. Now let's dive into the heart of these 4 monthly dividend ETFs, DIV, DHS, PGX, and KBWD. Each has its distinct strengths and weaknesses that may sway your investing strategy. Starting with DIV, or the Global X Super Dividend US ETF. This fund is known for its high yield, currently standing at an annual yield percentage of around 7.4%. However, its high dividend comes with a degree of risk, as it invests in companies that are often more vulnerable to market fluctuations. Next, we have the Wisdom Tree US High Dividend Fund, or DHS. It offers a more moderate annual yield of 3.6% with a focus on companies that are both high-yielding and potentially more stable. This could be a solid choice for those seeking a balance between risk and reward. Then there's the Invesco Preferred Portfolio, PGX. This ETF focuses on preferred stocks, which are typically more stable than common stocks, but with a lower growth potential. It offers a decent annual yield of about 5.6%. If you're looking for consistency over high growth, PGX might be your pick. Finally, the KBW High Dividend Yield Financial Portfolio, or KBWD, takes us back to high-yield territory with an impressive annual yield of 8.9%. However, it's heavily concentrated in the financial sector, increasing its susceptibility to economic downturns. It could be a high-risk, high-reward option. Each of these ETFs carries its unique potential risks and rewards. It's crucial to consider your personal financial goals, risk tolerance, and investment horizon before diving in. Remember, high yields can be enticing, but they often come with increased risk. On the other hand, lower yields may not provide the growth you're looking for, but they can offer more stability. It's all about finding the right balance for you. Closing. We've compared these ETFs, but how can they contribute to building your wealth? Building wealth with ETFs isn't a simple one-step process. It requires strategy. Now let's delve into the strategies that can help you maximize your returns from these monthly dividend ETFs: DV, DHS, PGX, and KBWD. Firstly, diversification is key. ETFs inherently provide a level of diversification as they consist of numerous stocks, bonds, or other assets. But don't stop there. Diversify across different ETFs as well. Don't just stick to one. By investing in DAV, DHS, PGX, and KBWD, you're not only spreading your investments across different sectors, but also across different risk profiles. This strategy can help protect your investments from market volatility. Next, let's talk about the reinvestment of dividends. When you receive dividends from these ETFs, you have two options. You can either pocket the cash or reinvest it. Reinvesting your dividends can significantly accelerate your wealth-building process. How? By buying more shares of the ETFs, you're increasing your future dividend income, which in turn can be reinvested. Over time, this compounding effect can lead to substantial growth in your investment. Now, onto our third strategy, long-term holding. Investing is not about making quick money, it's about building wealth over time. ETFs like DIV, DHS, PGX, and KBWD are designed for long-term growth. The annual yield percentages of these ETFs may not seem exciting in the short term, but the magic happens when you hold onto them for the long term. Over time, the dividends can accumulate into a significant sum, contributing to your wealth-building journey. Lastly, remember to stay informed and adjust your strategy as needed. The financial market is dynamic, and so should your investment strategy be. Stay updated on market trends, monitor your ETFs and performance, and don't hesitate to tweak your investment strategy when necessary. These strategies can help you build wealth with ETFs, but is it guaranteed? Well, like any investment, ETFs come with their own set of risks. However, with a well-thought-out strategy and a long-term view, you can potentially build a significant wealth with ETFs. Stay tuned for the next segment where we'll discuss this in more detail. You might be thinking, so, I'm guaranteed to get rich with these ETFs, right? Well, not so fast. Investing in ETFs, like any other form of investment, is not a foolproof path to wealth. Yes, it's true that these four ETFs, DIV, DHS, PGX, and KBWD, have shown promising returns, but it's crucial to remember that past performance is not a guarantee of future results. Let's take a step back for a moment. When you invest in an ETF, you're essentially buying a piece of a much larger pie. This pie is made up of different slices, each representing a different company. If one or more of these companies underperforms or goes under, it can negatively impact the entire fund. Furthermore, these ETFs, like all investments, are subject to market fluctuations. A sudden downturn in the market can significantly impact their value. This means that even if they have high annual yields, there's no guarantee that they'll continue to perform at the same level in the future. That's not to say you should avoid investing in ETFs altogether. Quite the contrary, ETFs can be a great way to diversify your portfolio and potentially earn a steady stream of income. But it's important to approach them with a balanced perspective. Consider your financial goals and risk tolerance. Are you willing to risk losing some or all of your investment for the potential of higher returns? Or do you prefer a safer, more conservative investment strategy? The answer to these questions will help guide your investment decisions. Lastly, always do your own research. Don't just take our word for it. Dig into the data, read up on the companies included in the ETFs, and consult with a financial advisor if necessary. While these ETFs can be part of a profitable investment strategy, it's important to remember that there are no guarantees in investing, so tread carefully, be informed, and make the decision that's right for you. So, can these 4 monthly dividend ETFs make you rich? We've delved into the intricacies of DIV, DHS, PGX, and KBWD, each boasting its own unique allure and potential for wealth accumulation. We've unraveled their annual yield percentages and painted a vivid picture of their performance in the investment landscape. Remember, these ETFs are more than just ticker symbols. They represent a diverse array of sectors and industries, each with their own strengths and vulnerabilities. They offer the potential for steady, recurring income that can be a powerful tool in your wealth-building arsenal. But let's not forget, investing is not a one-size-fits-all affair. It's a journey that requires strategy, patience, and a keen understanding of your financial goals and risk tolerance. These ETFs are compelling, yes, but they're just a small piece of the larger investment puzzle. The key is to balance your portfolio, diversify your investments, and manage risk effectively. This way, you're not just relying on one source of income, but creating an ecosystem of wealth that can withstand market fluctuations and unexpected economic events. So, is it possible to become rich with these ETFs? Absolutely, but it's also essential to complement them with a well-rounded investment strategy and solid risk management. If you found this video helpful, Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.